Afraid to speak English? Don't worry. Learn real daily English with easy conversations and speak more confidently every day. The Breakfast Adventure. Hey, welcome. First time here?
Yes, I never been here before.
You'll love it. Best breakfast in Austin.
Austin, this city is very big, yes?
Pretty big, but this neighborhood is very quiet.
Neighborhood means a small area inside city?
Exactly, like a small community inside a big city.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you, Lisa.
So, have you seen the menu yet?
Yes, but what is biscuits and gravy?
Soft bread with thick, creamy sauce on top.
Sauce for breakfast? That sounds very heavy.
It is, but so delicious, trust me.
Delicious means very, very good taste, right?
Perfectly said. Rich, warm, and very filling, too.
Filling means I won't feel hungry after?
Exactly. You won't need lunch after this meal.
Okay, I will try biscuits and gravy then.
Good choice. What are you drinking this morning?
Orange juice, please. Fresh orange juice.
Perfect. They squeeze it fresh here every morning.
They squeeze it here? Not from a bottle?
Never from a bottle. Always fresh here. Always.
This place feels very warm and very homey.
Homey? Where did you learn that word?
From my English app last night, actually.
Your app taught you well. That was perfect. Missing a flight at the airport. Wait, you missed your flight?
Yes, I don't know what happened.
Okay, when did you arrive here?
Maybe 1 hour ago, I think.
1 hour is never enough here.
Really? How early should I come?
Always 2 hours before your flight. Always.
Nobody told me that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go to the airline counter.
Airline counter? Where is that exactly?
That big desk over there with uniforms.
Oh, I see it. What do I say?
Say you missed your flight. Ask about rebooking.
Rebooking means same flight, different time?
Exactly. They will find you another flight.
What if the next flight is expensive?
Stay calm. Explain your situation politely.
Situation means what happened to me?
Yes, calm people always get more help.
Okay, I will try. I'm very nervous.
Take a deep breath. Walk there confidently.
Confidently means not looking scared outside?
Even if you're scared inside, yes.
Okay, fake confidence. I can do that.
That's the spirit. Now go.
Okay, Emma. Wish me luck, please.
Good luck. You've got this. First day in university. Hey, is this your first day?
Yes, I just arrived this morning.
Welcome. This campus can feel overwhelming at first.
Overwhelming means too much at one time?
Exactly. Too much to see and understand together.
Yes, I feel that right now, actually.
It gets easier. Which department are you in?
Business. First year, very new student.
Nice. Business building is just across that courtyard.
Courtyard means that open area outside?
Yes, open space between buildings. Very easy to find.
Okay, and where is the main cafeteria?
Follow that path. You will see it easily.
I have orientation in 30 minutes. Am I late?
No, orientation starts at 10. You have time.
Orientation. What exactly happens there?
They explain university rules and introduce everything important.
Like what to do and what not?
Exactly. Very helpful for first-day students always.
I hope my English is good enough there.
Your English is perfectly fine. Don't worry at all.
I sometimes freeze when many people are watching.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way at first.
Even you on your first day too?
I got lost 3 times on my first day.
Really? That makes me feel much better.
Good. Now go. Orientation is waiting for you. The Pancake House. Hello. Have you been here before?
No, first time ever.
You'll love it here.
It smells amazing. What is that?
Butter and syrup. Always irresistible.
Irresistible? Means too good to refuse?
Exactly. You simply cannot say no.
I like that word. Very strong.
Now look at the menu.
So many options. Too many.
Try the blueberry pancakes. They're legendary.
Legendary means very famous and special?
Yes, famous for a very long time.
Okay. Blueberry pancakes for me then.
Want whipped cream on top?
Whipped cream? The soft white thing?
Yes, light and fluffy. So good.
Yes, please. Put everything on mine.
I love that energy, Leo.
Go all out. What does that mean?
It means no holding back. Everything.
Food is my best English teacher.
Best answer I ever heard.
Okay, Megan, I am so ready.
Good, because look, they just arrived.
Whoa, bigger than my face.
Fixing wrong order. Excuse me, something is wrong here.
Oh, what happened? Tell me, please.
My order is wrong.
Let me fix this.
I ordered chicken. This is beef.
Oh, I apologize. My mistake completely.
It's okay. Can you fix it, please?
Of course, I will fix it immediately.
Thank you. I also have an allergy.
Allergy means some food makes you sick?
Exactly. Certain foods cause a bad reaction.
Reaction means your body responds badly?
Yes, sometimes very seriously. It's not minor.
Minor means not big or serious?
Right. Mine is serious, not minor at all.
Understood. I will tell the kitchen now.
Please double-check my order this time.
Double check means check it 2 times?
Yes. Check once, then check again. Always.
Okay. Chicken, no allergens. Got it.
Perfect. And please don't take too long.
I will rush it. Very sorry again.
It happens. Just fix it quickly, please.
Rush means do it very fast?
Exactly. Fast, but careful. Both matter here.
Your correct order is coming right now.
Finally. Thank you so much, Nate.
Next time, I will check 3 times.
Losing a phone in a taxi. Oh, Jake, you look very stressed. What happened?
I lost my phone in the taxi.
Oh no! Do you remember the taxi number?
Number? I didn't look. I was rushing.
It's okay. Did you pay by card?
Card? Yes, I used my credit card.
Perfect. Check your bank app right now.
Bank app to find the taxi company?
Yes, the receipt shows the taxi details always.
Oh, I see it. Yellow cab company.
Call them immediately. Explain your situation clearly.
Situation means what happened to me?
Yes, tell them exactly where you were dropped.
Dropped means where the taxi left me?
Exactly. Give them the location and the time.
Okay, I will call them right now.
Stay calm. Speak slowly and clearly on phone.
What if my English is not clear enough?
Speak slowly. They will understand you. Trust yourself.
Trust yourself?
means believe in my own ability?
Exactly. Confidence matters more than perfect English, always.
Okay, calling now. I'm very nervous, Jessica.
You've got this. I'm right here with you.
Excited. They answered. They have my phone. It's there.
See? Calm and confident always wins.
And good English helped too. Thank you, Jessica.
Calling a friend for help. Ryan, you called me. Everything okay?
No, I need help. Please come.
Of course. What happened? Tell me everything.
I am completely lost. No idea where I am.
Okay, stay calm. Look around you right now.
I see a big park, some benches,
Good. Any street signs near you?
street signs, the name boards on roads.
Yes. Look at the nearest corner. Any names?
I see Golden Gate Avenue. Is that helpful?
Perfect. I know exactly where you are now.
Really? You can find me from that?
Yes, stay put. I'll be there soon.
Stay put means don't move from here?
Exactly. Don't wander. Just wait right there.
Wander means walk around without any direction?
Yes, walking randomly with no destination in mind.
I did that already. That's why I'm lost.
At least now I know where you are.
How long will you take to come?
10 minutes maximum. Are you feeling okay?
A little scared, but better now. Thank you.
That's what friends are for. Always call me.
That's what friends are for. What does that mean?
It means friends help each other, no questions asked.
I really like that phrase. Very warm feeling.
Good. Now stay put. I'm coming, Ryan.
Making the bed.
Finn, your bed is a complete disaster.
I know, I never learned how. Sorry.
It's okay. I will show you right now.
You make your bed every single morning?
Every morning. It starts your day right.
Starts your day right means good beginning.
Exactly. Small habits build a better routine.
Routine means things I do every day?
Yes, same actions, same order every day.
Okay, so where do I start first?
First, pull the fitted sheet tight, no wrinkles.
Fitted sheet, the one that covers mattress?
Yes, it goes under. Stretch it all around.
Wrinkles means the messy folds in fabric?
Exactly. Smooth it out completely, nice and flat.
Like this? Am I doing it right?
Almost. Tuck the corners in more firmly.
Tuck means push the sheet underneath the mattress?
Yes, push it under the mattress, nice and tight.
Okay, like this? It looks much better now.
Perfect. Now place the pillow neatly on top.
This is harder than it looks, honestly.
Everyone says that on their first try.
Do Americans always make their bed daily?
Not always, but it feels really good when you do.
It does look very neat and very clean now.
See? Takes 5 minutes. Changes everything completely.
Okay, Laura, you win. I'll do it daily.
Losing a passport at the airport.
Excuse me, you look very worried.
Yes, I lost my passport somewhere.
Oh no, when did you notice?
Maybe 10 minutes ago, near security?
Okay, did you check your carry-on bag?
Yes, everything is inside except that.
Okay, let's think carefully first.
My plane leaves in 1 hour.
Seriously, which airline are you flying today?
American Airlines to Los Angeles tonight.
Good. Their counter stays open late.
What should I tell the staff?
Say, I lost my passport today.
I lost my passport today.
Then ask for help politely there.
Okay, I can do that now.
Also, visit the airport information desk.
Sorry, where is that exactly?
Across from the coffee shop downstairs.
Oh, okay. I remember that place.
Did you buy anything there earlier?
Yes, I bought coffee and snacks.
Maybe you left it beside payment.
Really? That could actually happen.
Let's go check together right now.
Thank you. Seriously, you are very kind.
Wait, check your jacket pocket once more.
Oh no, it was there already.
Airports make everybody forget things sometimes.
Next time, I need less stress.
First day at a new job. Hi, you must be the new guy.
Yes, today is my first day here.
Don't worry, everyone feels nervous first.
I hope I do everything correctly.
You will be fine here, Ryan.
Where should I put my backpack?
You can leave it beside your desk.
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
Did you meet the manager already?
Yes, but only for 1 minute.
That sounds normal around here, honestly.
Everybody looks very busy this morning.
Mondays are always a little crazy.
What time is lunch usually here?
Most people eat around 12:30.
Okay, I brought food from home.
Nice. What did you bring today?
Just a sandwich, nothing exciting really.
Sandwiches are perfect for busy workdays.
Sorry, where is the meeting room?
Down the hall beside the kitchen.
Great. I was already getting lost.
This office confuses people every week.
I also forget some coworkers' names already.
That happens. Just ask again politely.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Ready for your first team meeting?
Maybe after one more coffee first.